Why should you join marching band, you may ask? Here are the following reasons why you should. In marching band, you can make new friends you will end up having for a lifetime, which ends up becoming your band family. Playing music and marching at the same time is also very creative. We make marching look fun and also develop multitasking skills. Marching band can also be very challenging, but everyone at one point or another messes up. Even if it isn't someone falling or off step, we also mess up in our music, so don't be afraid to make a mistake. We are a group filled with lots of laughter and jokes that make us get through a long, hard day. And also, from being outside during band camp, we get these awesome tan lines that make everyone else jealous. And last but not least, we learn the value of water, and we get free snacks at football games and performances.